Hello and welcome to all our podcast listeners. I'm Prachi Panditya and I'm right here with another episode of our podcast series. Before I dig in, I'd actually like to tell you all that we have been receiving a lot of appreciation for our podcast initiative, and for that, I have to thank you all. I mean, you guys have probably no idea how happy it makes us to know that you guys are listening and watching us. And I hope you keep doing that because it really motivates us. So thank you for doing that. This week, I am with someone really special. I have Mr. Vineet Patra, who works with the support team. He works closely with all our platform users and helps them with integrations, add ons, solves glitches, and does other operational issues. So, without much ado, welcome, sir, and we're going to dive right into today's podcast.
Thank you for having me here.
Sure.
It's great to step out with from the office work
Right.
and have a chat with the
I
co-workers.
know, right? I mean, we barely
yes,
chat when we're working at our desk.
Yes.
So this is a great opportunity.
yes.
When we were working on our podcast script, like a couple of days ago, you mentioned you were really excited to do this. So before I tell you all, we're gonna do a live tracking screen podcast today. So would you like to tell our users why you were so excited to discuss this topic?
I closely work with my clients and users, okay, on the platform, and I get continuously compliments from everybody on the live tracking screen.
Right.
So as per that observation, I found that 90% of the user on the platform uses the live tracking screen every day, around the
Right.
clock. So if we get the average, it will be around 2 to 3 hours a day.
Wow.
They are continuously spending it on the live tracking screen only.
Okay.
So the numbers only explain that how much the screen is important, and I'm eager to help you to explain whole live tracking screen, how you can utilize the live tracking screen in our application.
Right. I mean, I've taught this before as well. Like when you say live tracking, my mind immediately it goes to track and trace. But I know that Ufisio offers much more than that. Like we have so many functionalities on our live tracking screen. Would you like to tell our listeners some of those?
You and Kiran, in the last episode, the dashboard was actually discussed.
Yeah.
So I
Thank you for
continuously
listening.
listen the podcast.
Did you like it?
Yes.
You did?
Yes,
I'm
very
just
much.
saying that because I'm here.
No, I liked it. It was very informative.
Okay.
And the dashboard actually gives the extremely means collection of the data. Means it gives analytics of a business fleet. Means a group of vehicles.
Right.
But when the question is for the precise data of a single vehicle,
Mm-hmm.
then the live tracking gives the precise analytics of a single vehicle.
Okay.
As per that, they can get the metrics of fuel consumptions,
Mm-hmm.
fuel mileage, trip
Right.
durations, and distance of a single vehicle.
Right.
Okay, so it's like that. All the parameters are explained on a single screen.
Right. So getting precise data right down to a single vehicle.
Yes.
And I think if even if your business is small or big, it doesn't matter. Like you need to get, you need to have data, actionable data. I love using
Yes.
that word about each and every fleet. And we discussed with Kiran sir in the last episode how those analytics can help you save a lot of money. Um, when you were talking about how many metrics you can see on a live tracking screen, I was actually worried because I feel like it's gonna be cluttered, right? You have so many functions on one screen, and I'm like, how do we combat that? Like, how do we deal with that?
Yes, I understand that case, and I also don't like the screen get
I
clustered
know,
much
right?
more.
Yeah.
Okay, so for that, to overcome those issues,
Mhm.
we offer the customization feature in our application.
Okay.
So the widgets can be customized on the live tracking screen as per the business model.
Okay.
Okay, for example, if we take some business involved in the emergency trip services,
Mm-hmm.
so they can use the trip informations and calculation of trips. Okay, whatever they want to see the analytics,
Right.
so they can customize the widget directly.
Okay.
And if you take another example of the construction, agricultural and construction equipments, so they normally consider the duration of the equipments,
Right.
work hour,
RPM,
engine
right?
hours, yes, RPM. So they customize the widget as per their needs.
Right.
So it's not it's limitless.
Okay. So we offer a lot of functionalities, but you can customize it based on your
Yes,
business needs.
Yes.
I love it how with every podcast this issue comes up that
Yes.
we offer solutions for a spectrum of businesses, okay? And we understand, our company truly understands that every business has their own distinct needs. And like every screen on our platform is customizable. Like, it's designed to serve a particular vertical, a particular industry, a particular business. And I love that part about, our platform. Can you tell me any more unique qualities of live tracking besides this?
Yes, I would like to take the point of uniqueness. Okay, so we just provide the live tracking screen without any glitching effect.
Okay.
Okay, means you can say that it's glitch free.
So like if I take a left turn, I'll be able to
Yes.
see that. Or a right
Yes,
turn.
it's keep updated on every turn of your road.
Okay.
Okay, and we just not only track the vehicles, we doesn't track any asset. Means you can't specify the tracking. We track the complete object like mobile numbers
Okay.
and also pet. And
Okay.
if you want to use the personal tracking, then also you can use our applications,
Right.
which will track. You have to just name it and we can track it.
Yeah, I mean, I love that. Like, I can track every asset, which, includes a variety of, like, not just vehicles, a
Yes.
variety of, equipment,
Yes.
pets, as you said, bikes, etc.
And when we come to the point of map visibility, we also keep in mind that the map should be visible clearly. So none of the widgets get block the visibility. So we have a clear map. Means the visibility is main concern
Right.
while track and trace also.
Right, like it would be irritating if like there were like a bunch of
Yes.
other things on your map and you
Yes.
have to like shift them to see the map. Well, this was really informative and like I'm out of questions. But before I let you go, this one standard question that I'm always gonna ask. What's new? What's upcoming? What can the users look forward to with the screen?
We are continuously working on our tracking screen.
Mhm.
This is the seventh screen we have updated
Wow.
in the past coming years. Okay.
Okay.
And we are continuously looking for the feedback of our users, means our platform users, so we can enhance it more, and we will be keep updating it as per the suggestions we get it.
Right.
And our listeners also, and current listeners also can recommend the changes and the feedback.
This is for you guys.
So we'll be update it on our live tracking screen
Yeah,
to
and
make
like-
it more.
We have a beautiful
Efficient.
podcast page on our website.
Yes.
There's a beautiful dialog box where you can leave your email address, you can leave your questions, and you know what? If you leave like topics for me to discuss, I'll bring them up. I'll design a podcast based on that. So please feel free to do that. Well, I guess I'm out of questions. But it was really fun talking to you, and I
Yes,
think we
yeah.
all learn a little more about live tracking. So thank you for doing that.
Welcome.
And like before we go, I want to thank all my listeners. Thank you for supporting us, and I'll be here in 2 weeks, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.